In this video, I will share the latest Nexlev coupon code, which will give you a flat 20% discount on your order. To get started, you only need to visit the Nexlev website. Next, you can go to the pricing page of Nexlev. Here, you can choose any product you want to purchase. The niche finder tool of Nexlev is the most popular right now, so I will select it. Next, we need to register a new account here, or we can simply log in to our existing account. Once it's done, it will take us to the checkout page. Here, you'll see this promo code section. Simply enter the coupon Nexlev20, and you'll get a flat 20% discount on your order. And now, you can enter your payment info and make the purchase. The cool thing is that this coupon works with every Nexlev plan. You can buy any product of your choice. Nexlev's Chrome Extension is also getting really popular recently. You can buy it at a discount too. Normally, it costs $13 per month, and you can save an extra 30% on yearly plans. On top of that, this coupon code will provide you an extra 20% discount, which makes it a 50% discount for 1 year. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.